In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this logo animation under 4 minutes. We need to use 3 modifiers to make it work. The base mesh is a text object with an emission shader. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. The first modifier is solidify. The second modifier is remesh. The third modifier is Laplacian smooth. We need to animate the lambda factor values. I have created a 100 frame long animation. On frame 1 and 100, I have keyframed the value of 0.05. On frame 50, I have increased the value to make the mesh shrink. If we increase the frame 50's factor value, then we can completely remove the mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.